In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to create an efficient and time-saving sequence using Monday CRM.
We'll go to the board hot leads. And here we have a list of all our leads, including emails and phone numbers. We'll click on the feature sequences here on the top left corner. We'll create a new sequence and we'll write a sequence name. We'll call it Pipeline Power Up, click Next. And we'll connect it to the board we're working with, which is hot leads. We'll click Connect. Let's click on automatic email. These are emails that are automatically sent based on the schedule and conditions defined in the sequence. We'll send this email on day 1. Now notice we can insert dynamic fields into our email by using the auto-populated fields. We'll add that here. Item name. Yeah, again, it's really simple. And I'll add another one here, right after hi. That will pull in data from the column from the board we're working with. Let's send out another automatic email, shall we? So we'll click on Add Step, Automatic Email. We'll set this for day 3. We'll give it a bit of a breather. Here, we can add another step. Here, it's been updated to day 3. We'll add another step, which is a manual email. Now, a manual email creates a task for us and gives us a reminder to send the email, okay? Because maybe you want to tweak it up a bit before it's sent. Let's send that on day 6.
Okay, we're all set now. Let's go to the tab Rules Notifications.
When we're done completing the other configuration steps, we'll toggle this on to activate our sequence. We can also use this to deactivate our sequence. Here we have Send Emails As. So this is where we designate which email address the emails will be sent from. So here I'll click on this. On Board, we choose the board where the sequence will pull the data from. So as you can see, it's Hot Leads. Contact information, here we choose which columns we'll use for pulling in the email address and the phone number. So here we have email and phone. Removal rules. Here we have that if a contact replied to an email sequence, we'll turn that toggle on. Then the status will be changed to engaged. If a contact opened an email sequence, we'll turn the toggle on and the status will choose the label email viewed. If the contact's email bounced, so we'll turn that toggle on and the status will be invalid. My time zone is Jerusalem and the days I want to send the messages on will be Monday till Thursday, so I'll take off Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. The messages will be sent between 7 a.m. and 5 p.m. That's great. Notifications, notify me when it's time to make a call or send an email. I'll turn that toggle on. Notify me when a sequence ends due to engagement. I will turn this on too. Now, notice here that in this notification, the team members that are designated to a specific item will be notified throughout the sequence. So here you have to choose the person column. In order to add people to the sequence, we need to activate it. So we'll go up, sequence is active, toggle it on, and we'll click on Save Sequence. We'll be redirected to the Sequence Manager. You can always go back and edit it. Let's click back on Pipeline Power Up, and we'll click on the tab People. So now we'll manually enroll contacts and leads. So let's click on Select People from Board. Now we're in our Hot Leads board, and we can choose which contacts will be in the sequence. So I'll click on Gabby and I'll add to sequence. Pipeline Power Up, click on Add One Item. So let's go back to our sequences, click on Pipeline Power Up, and in People, here is Gabby.
We don't want to add anyone manually to our board. I mean, what are Monday notifications for, right? Let's go back to our board Hot Leads and take a look at it. So the status columns that we have are status and lead created. Let's click on Automate, click on Board Automations, click on Add Automation, and our first recipe will be Item Created, and the second one will be Change Status. So when an item is created, set status Lead Created to Done. Click on Create Automations. We'll exit this window. Now, every time an item is created, the status of Lead Created will automatically be changed to Done. Let's go one more step further to make sure we demolish the manual work, shall we?
In the search box, type in sequences, click on this app, and we'll use this template. When the status Lead Created changes to Done, enroll them to the sequence Pipeline Power Up. Click Create Automation, and this template will automatically enroll new leads into our sequence. I'll create a new item by duplicating this lead. duplicate items and updates. Now we can see that the status is changed automatically to done, which triggers the automation sequence. Let's go take a look. We'll click on the feature sequences. We'll click on Pipeline Power Up. We'll go to People tab. Once a sequence is activated, we can track the sequence in the People tab or in the Sequence Manager. Happy sequencing, everyone!